Are you guys curious as to what I plan to do with this petite New York strip steak from US Wellness Meats? Well, you're gonna have to keep watching this video. So this right here is quite the way to jazz up a New York strip.
Don't mind if I do.
Okay. Well, apparently Landon thought I made him lunch, but that was actually for me. That being said, I can easily go.
So good!
Okay, well, you heard it here, folks. Landon approves. I gotta go make me one now, and
Quit talking! You're interrupting my lunch!
guys, go check out uswellnessmeats.com. They've got all types of meat, including
Whisper quieter!
the New York strip steak. So go do it. Go do it.